Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Biomathematician. Today we will be discussing about mode. Mode is the measure of central tendency along with mean and median. It represents the most frequently occurring value within a dataset. It can be applied to all the type of numerical data including categorical, discrete and continuous variables. Let's begin with mode. So we have a dataset where we have different modes. So within unimodal data we have 20 as the most frequently occurring number. Within modal data we have 120 and 109 as the most frequently occurring data. Similarly we have trimodal and multimodal data here. So we have a function defined here, calculate mode. So this is a user defined function where we have used a module counter. So we just call this module and I will explain the function here. So we first sort the data, then create a counter dictionary for the data, and using that counter dictionary we find the value which we first find the value which is occurring most frequently and the number of its occurrence, and then we just filter out those values, the values which have this max count, which has the values which have the count equivalent to max count. So let's see what we have mode for the unimodal data. Find mode. So just we have to run this. So within our data unimodal data we have 120 as the mode. Let's see what it is for the bimodal data. So in our bimodal data we have a mode that is 109 and 120. Here is our bimodal data. So we can see that 120 and 109 has been occurred twice within the data. Let's see for the trimodal data. Fine. So in our trimodal data we have three modes, that is 109, 120 and 126. Let's check it. So 120 is 2 times, then 109 is 2 times, and the third is 126 is 2 times. Let's see onwards trimodal data, we call all the data that have 4 and more than 4 modes as multimodal or multimode data. So here we have 4 mode, 109, 120, 126, 129. Apart from defining a user function, we can use inbuilt function in Python also. So for that there is a library SciPy. It is most of the time used for scientific calculation. So we will just import it. First we have to install it. So for that we can do install SciPy. And in my system it is already installed, so it gives this message, otherwise it will be installed on my system. So SciPy have a limitation. SciPy has a limitation that it for the whole dataset it only gives a single mode. So for example, if the dataset have this mode, 3 mode, it will give the first mode in increasing order. First mode when organized in the increasing order. Let's check it out. First we have to import the data, import the module. So we will import the mode method from SciPy start. And let's check it out. For unimodal, we will first check. So we can see that it is giving 120 and the count of the number, that is 2. Let's check it out for bimodal data. Here also it is only giving a single mode value and its count, that is 2. So it has a limitation that it only gives a single mode for the whole dataset. Apart from the features like it can be used for different data types, numerical, categorical and discrete, it has some limitations also. So mode doesn't include all the data points. So it is just calculated based on a single data point that is most frequently occurring. So it doesn't cover the whole data points, and it is not very informative as the data can be mode can be one, more than one, or no mode at all. So these are the few limitations. Apart from that, mode can be used most of the time because it include all the data types. So for continuous variables, we can put them in intervals and then calculate the mode. For categorical and discrete, it is simple to go. I will attach the link for the Jupyter notebook in the description. Thank you for your patience.